Hi, this is Group 2, and these are my member. My name is Nutrilite. First off, this is our project poster. And now, as you can see in agenda, there are 9 portions regarding to this presentation. Okay, so what's the project is? Our project is Nursing Home and Orphanage, which is located in Kuala City. But why this project? As Kuala City is located in coastal region and related with tourism businesses, there is not enough help for both elderly and kids who are in need. That's the reason why we decided to make this project. Let me introduce our strategy, which is enhance well-being and safety in the community. To align with the interests of the local councils and community, the project output will be providing the elderly and children with opportunity in state-of-the-art healthcare and well-being service. There are 4 outcomes that is for elderly, children, and the community, such as a place for them to have many opportunity and to fulfill their basic needs. These output and outcome have many benefits like decreasing unemployment rate and getting more funds to invest back into the local community. To describe our project, there are 2 buildings with 3 and 4 floors respectively. Also within the compound, we provided numerous facilities, for example, having a fascinating garden, library, clinic, and so on. Other topic will be presented by one of my members.
Hello, my name is Tatnizar, and let me continue this presentation. And I'm going to present about the high-level requirement. There are safety requirements, eco-friendly requirements, and financial requirements. First of all, for safety requirements, in case of accidents, there will be emergency exits in every floor for each building. Security camera, which will be operating 24/7 for the safety inside the compound. There will be also fire hose and smoke detectors in every floor. There will be also ICU in elderly building in case of health emergency happens among the people. There will be also fire accidents evacuation lift in the elderly building for those who are not able to escape easily during the accidents. Children that are being adopted will be checked in once a month to make sure that they are safe and being treated fairly in their foster home. Secondly, it is eco-friendly requirements. We will maintain a good recycling and sewage system for the entire compound, and there will be also gardens and trees to make eco-friendlier and to reduce CO2 emissions. Lastly, it is financial requirements. There will be income from donations, and we also expect to get government funding, which will be 50% each. The rest of the presentation will be presented by the other member.
Hi, I'm Yamin Gao, and now I would like to present the 2 portions of the agenda. First off, when implementing this project, there are a high number of high-level risks, which are financial risks, quality risks, deadline risks, and safety risks. These are mentioned as they are the critical risks to look out for. For example, if the cost of construction went up, there will be more costs accumulated and investors may be hesitant to invest more to cover up the budget. Quality risks is also important since if the raw materials are damaged, the building standard will not be up to par, and it could even delay the duration of the construction. This is related to the deadline risk since it will extend the duration of the construction period. There are also concerns for safety risks for the construction itself since they could get injured easily. There are also risks to the environment such as noise pollution or the breakdown of tall machineries, which in turn would fall onto nearby buildings, which could harm and injure local residents critically. Now, I would like to present the work breakdown structure. This work breakdown structure is organized by phase to clearly show what variables are there. The project works of the entire project are the project management, which in turn contains activities that is responsible for preparing the land and constructing the buildings, and the security, which includes installing the camera and the entrance gate, while the remaining ones are classified as the project output. Now, the rest of the agenda would be presented by the remaining team members.
Hello everybody, my name is Kazal. Today I will talk about 2 topics. First one is project duration and the second one is project budget. In this slide, I will talk about project duration. Our project will take about 6 months for the planning period. For the construction period, it will take about from 24 months to 36 months. For the designing, it will take about 5 months. We will also take 1 to 2 months for the safety check of our building. So to the completion duration of our project is 49 months. Our project will complete at the second mid-quarter of 2025. In this slide, I will talk about project budget. The estimations are made based on the work breakdown structure of our project. For the healthcare costs, such as building the ICUs and the clinic, it will cost about 300,000 Australian dollar. To give various education service to the kids, it can cost about 60,000 Australian dollar. For the entertainment cost, it will be 20,000 Australian dollar. Project management cost is 6 million. It includes cost of land, buildings, and piling. For the leisure costs, such as building activity grounds, garden, and fitness zone, it will cost about 20,000 Australian dollar. Service costs will be 15,000 Australian dollar. This includes electrical service, water service, etc. Security costs such as installing CCTV camera and security gates around the compound will be 15,000 Australian dollar. So estimate to the accumulated cost of our project is 6,430,000 Australian dollar. The remaining parts will be continued by the other members.
Hello, I'm Nainui and I'm going to discuss about the stakeholder analysis matrix. As you can see, the x-axis is interest while y-axis is power. The interest axis become higher from left to right while power axis become higher from bottom to top. Government is in the left top square box as he has high power to influence the project but don't have interest in the project quite much. The right square beside the government is project sponsor who is really keen on the project as well as have high power. Below project sponsor is commercial sponsor, suppliers, and residents who have high level of interest in the project, however, they don't have the power for the project. The left bottom square box is for the stakeholder with low interest and low power. In this box, students and lecturers are placed as they won't be interested in the project as much as the other stakeholder and power to influence the project. Another slide is about the communication management plan. Communication management plan is made to communicate with stakeholders about how the project is planned, structured, monitored, and controlled. We made this with a well-organized template, including what information will be delivered, what method is going to use, how frequent we are going to communicate, and who is the sender. The first stakeholder is supplier. The information delivered to him will be delivered scheduled 1 month prior to the delivery by email, so that the supplier won't forget. The duty to send an email is given to procurement team. Another stakeholder is local council. We will have to keep updating about our project by email once a month. For this task, the project head will be doing. The third stakeholder is sovereign government. The information for this stakeholder is approval and tender, so we can communicate through social media application. So we will communicate by meeting whenever we need to. This task is in charge by the project head or post operators. Second last stakeholder is part-time and full-time employees. The information delivered will be job applicant via from social media and flyers. The frequency for this will be varies during recruitment process and it will be varies for part-time employees. The center for this will be an in charge by HR department. The last stakeholder is interior designer with the information related to design ethics. The method of information delivered will be by both emails and meeting. This will also be varying according to the progress and the center will be the project manager. Thank you for listening. This is the end of our presentation. I hope you will enjoy our group presentation. Thank you.